We are very sorry about that. Sorry about that. YouTube acting up again. Same thing happened yesterday. We have no idea. We will look into it over the weekend. Try not to let that happen again. But we're back here with Dolby Time and the main man in the middle, Max Maserati. Max, before we got cut off here, I think you were telling us about the Max Maserati model. So you took the two.
Yes.
Yes. So from what I remember, you took the two candle bars and you kind of used that as a frame. Did I understand that correctly?
Yeah, I use two candle bar as a framing when it's static bias. The static bias is taking the past price action and then it's telling you what might happen today. But I have the dynamic bias, which take the actual candle and tell you if it's bearish, if it's bullish, depending on body close. If it's body close above the high or body close below the low. So, and if it's close inside of the candle, it's just give you like a neutral color. So, for example, yesterday, as you can see, this candle was a bullish, very, very strong bullish body close. So what I expect for today, so I expect today, this will be my jaw on liquidity for the day. So this is the yesterday high. Let me correct this. Yesterday high. And then and then the 2-day jaw on liquidity. And so I have a gap here. I mark the gap, and then I place a line here and call it this is the close, and call it the yesterday swing success because it was a bullish body close. And then this is the low of yesterday. So price for my trade to be valid, price cannot cross above the yesterday low. So I am bullish until then. And then so what I do next, and I go to the 4-hour. I'm like, okay, so if price is bullish, and I will check the 4-hour. So the first 4-hour was like a bearish body close. I'm like, okay, this is a bearish body close, but even though I have an order block here, and price reacted very nice to it. And I'm like, okay. And then when I woke up in the morning, I saw that price already took the yesterday high. But I'm like, I'm still bullish because price hasn't closed below the low of the yesterday candle. And then, but what I do, I go to the 1 minute time frame. So this is where I trade. After I frame my trade, I go to the 1 minute. The 1 minute, and I enter in my trades now. They are like super precise, super mega precise. And I'm going to show you a trade I took right after. This is a bit. Let me remove this so we can just remove this line so we can just see. Okay. So this was AM. This was London. This was Asia. Okay, perfect. So the trade I took, it was here. So Asia went down. All right.
Yep. This is Max Maserati model now, everyone.
Yeah, this is proprietary stuff. Listen up, everybody.
You're getting a world exclusive right here.
Yeah. So as you can see, so price went down. So Asia was the liquidity was taken here, right? So I took a trade here. I took a trade here, but I hope you can see. So my strategy, they give you the signal. They give you the signal. For example, you see the purple. So for example, when they low, let me activate the fractal. So you can see the fractal. So when a fractal is printed, right? When a low is printed, and then the candle will give you a signal. So I was waiting for a signal, but I use it in combination. So as here you can see, so liquidity was taken here, price came down. I took a trade here. So this was my first signal here to go. Yeah, this was my first signal to go long. So I made 1 to 2 here very quick, but I was waiting and then to take my main trade of the day. And the trade, the price came down here, and then it gave me the signal. So price react, give me the signal. So what I use this indicator called banker fund flow, and then it showed me exactly when price is coming from discount. So this is discount here, and this is extreme discount down here. This is premium. This is extreme premium. And then when price give me a signal, and then price is coming from extreme discount or from discount, and then as you can see, these people start buying. This the big institutions start buying from here, right?
Hey, real quick,
And
Max.
then
Real quick,
I
Max.
get my signal here.
Sorry about that. Real quick, we got some sellers coming in here in the NASDAQ as well. Ooh, every time we come up to the 5100s here in the S&Ps, the buyers do come in and defend that level. Sorry about that, Max. It looks like we were going to take a move to the downside.
No, Dolby, go ahead.
Yeah, Dolby, were you able to, are you still looking to get in here? Still looking to get
I'm gonna switch
here?
sides. No, I'm gonna see if I can get short. So I have a level down here. I think Max also shared a level approximately around here at 17,950. I would be
950.
very curious to see if we end up getting down there by end of the day. I would love to see that if I could get shorts. You might see in my chart I have a CFM here. That is come failed moves, come fast moves. Something that I've started to notice and I want to keep track of going forward. I think this is a big important level, and if we do get down there and we don't push through it, it might be a case in which people will switch sides and maybe rush for the exit if they don't get the move they want below 950 here. So we'll mark this on the chart, but I have a feeling we might go down there, maybe do a stop run. If we do get down there, I could be interested in taking some longs because they might just be cheap. That might just be cheap. That's why.
A quick Delta update. Thank you for that, Dolby. Quick Delta update. We are looking at minus 3,700 in the ES. So sellers are trying to take this lower. A little light, 3,700, but maybe for a Friday afternoon, it could be significant as we get in the close. All right, we're trying to break 5,100s here again in the S&Ps. Buyers come in and say, nope, we're taking that bid. Looks like it's correlating with 970s here in the NASDAQ as we break below 970.
Yeah,
and
NASDAQ
still again,
is leading right now. NQ is just kind of rolling over pretty hard.
Yeah, I think you're right here. Taking a quick peek at Tilt, ES, about 50-50. NASDAQ, slightly biased short, 65% short. As the sellers do try to take it lower. Here we go again, S&Ps. Trying to get beneath that 5,100 level. Buyers keep defending that. So shorts are getting a bit stuck in the hole, John. Keep us posted on that Delta. It looks like they're selling around here at this 5,101 level, 5,102 maybe. They'll probably start feeling the heat once we hit 5,104, so that might be the squeeze if we're looking to take a long, but here we go.
I'm going to try to stack some sells to above this 1 minute range I have in mind. Oh, we got Eddie. What do we got?
Hey, we got early MOC imbalance, 369 million to the buy side, 369 million buy side.
I'm up.
Thank you.
Okay, interesting.
Keep us posted on that.
Very interesting.
Max, it is. This bull. I mean, we've been in a bull. We've been in a bull market here for the last few weeks. I guess you could say. Came in this morning to do all-time highs in the S&Ps. I did think we were going to keep that trend going. I didn't think there's any
with Nvidia earning. I feel like AI is taking over.
Yeah. All right. Real quick, Max. What are your thoughts on AI?
I mean, I probably in 20 to 50 years, I think our world will completely change. The world we know might completely change, because with the advance that being done with AI technology and everything, and I don't think probably we'll have robot working in our places, police robot like we've seen them in the movies and stuff, and I don't think we are far away from that.
I think you're
right. Is this something you're seeing in the medical field? Is AI gonna be able to influence the medical field, or is there too much red tape?
For sure, they've been influencing the medical field, because if you see most surgery now, they are being done like online, remote, and very complicated surgery being done remote with very fast internet. And you have a surgeon in London operating in New York. And you have all these machines that like for surgery, they are like crazy level of precision, even much better than human. They might not take over completely over the medical field. We might still need a human for for proof. But otherwise, they will have a decent share in the medical field.
Wow. I just got short some Nasdaq here. I'm done with getting to the chop shop. So
Yeah.
not we, but I shorted 980.50, and I want to see if we can get back down to 950. So approximately a 30-point move I'm looking for in Nasdaq in the last half an hour here. I will sell more all the way up to 989 if we get there. So one of the benefits of being able to kind of spread out some orders. My first order is a little bit closer, a little bit more aggressive. Then you get progressively less aggressive with the orders that are further up. Maybe you get filled, maybe you don't, maybe you lose everything, who knows. So we'll see. We'll manage the risk and see what happens here. But I am looking for a push down to 950s.
Yes, in the
See what
ES.
happens.
Well, Max was talking about his thoughts on AI in the medical field, medical industry. We did see the S&Ps take a dip below 5,100. We did trade 50.99, which was quickly taken bid. There might be some shorts. There was some volume to that downside push. It was met with support, and the buyers did come in. Something to keep an eye on, see if the shorts are indeed stuck. But it could just be simply a range play as we look at the 5-minute chart, 5-minute bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over an hour now, we've been in the same range. Hour plus, we've been in the same range for ES. We will keep an eye and see if those shorts are caught here. Same in the Nasdaq. The sellers came in. It was quickly taken bid. So far, it's proven to be a tricky power hour, Dolby.
I would say so, unless you just follow the VWAP and just follow
There's
that
that.
direction. So definitely something I'm gonna add. So I'm always trying to learn and tweak stuff while I'm on air. I feel like it's really I don't know. It's nice. It's nice to be able to talk stuff out live. I think that's one of the benefits of trading publicly is that you have to kind of talk about what you're doing, and therefore you're putting it there out in the world. So this short is feeling kind of weird as well, but we'll see how that goes. But yeah, we're gonna work on that. We're gonna work on getting aligned with the VWAP, and we're gonna work on these come failed moves, come fast moves levels, and kind of see how it goes there. So it looks like Big
26.
Daddy spot is still short from 18,046. That's a hell of an entry.
That's really nice, Big Daddy. You're gonna enjoy your weekend. Well done.
Yeah.
As you can see, the price is still resisting to the previous day close line, to the settlement line. It's still not closing it.
What was
Still
settled? What was settlement?
rebouncing
What was
from it.
settlement again? What was settlement again? ES or Max? You look at
The
ES or
settlement line
Nasdaq?
on ES, it's 50. It's just give me one sec.
Sure.
Yeah, it's 50.98.75.
Oh, 98. Oh, pretty sure I bought those yesterday. I know that number. I'm pretty sure I got long from that price yesterday. I'm pretty sure I bought 98 the orders yesterday. I remember that price. All right.
Yeah, I mean, like this morning when I wake up, I'm like, oh my god, this price will create a new high, and I took this trade. I'm like, I'm going to let it run.
Yeah.
It was crazy. I'm like, I'll close my eyes, let it run.
Yes. They'll walk away and go grab a glass of water or something. Put your trade on, go grab a glass of water, and see how you got your bracket orders in. Let the trade play out. All right, S&Ps are trying to.
Yeah, the fact is like once I'm in profit, I just move my stop loss into profit because like my strategy is like I'm entering the first three candles of the first three reversal candle. So I develop my strategy to enter like that, and then my stop loss is minimal. Like it's minimal. It's like 100 feet or 50 or 37, and I let it run.
All right, starting to see it creep up here in S&Ps. I know the squeeze. Here comes the squeeze. Dolby, hold on.
Sucks. This is the squeeze I wanted the first time, but I was too early on it. Just talking about being too early in a trade, right?
Yeah, were you talking that with Anne Marie?
Yes.
Yeah, someone.
Yes.
Yep.
All
right, we might see some stops above 18,000 here.
Great, that's where mine is.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Come and get me, bro. Come and get me.
Yeah.
Put me out of my misery.
And don't be surprised. Don't be surprised if we have a new high today again.
Oh my!
Oh, I'm not. Oh, Max, I've been waiting for that. Oh yeah. Right now, Delta.
Don't be surprised at all.
Delta 36. I know.
And do you see the amount of liquidity on the buy side? It's crazy. A lot of liquidity to be taken.
They're stacking bids.
Sorry?
Last cumulative Delta update, we are at minus 3,000 in the S&Ps as of a minute ago. They probably peeled off about 700 of those shorts. Looks like they got short at or around 5,100 level in the S&Ps. So you're going to feel the squeeze here. If we go above 04, 05, I think we'll see some stops go off, maybe push it to the upside here.
I'm not thrilled right now.
Well,
not thrilled, Chad. We're gonna hang tight. You never know what happens. It's NASDAQ. Yep. Literally anything could happen. But I do feel like I'm in a
definitely
world.
Like I say, the chart is confused now.
I'm in a world of hurt.
The chart is confused. It was like you don't really know what to do. Like it just like. I think this level is we have a lot of orders here and in the 5102.75.
Here we go.
Stopped out again.
Here we go. Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go.
What? I was in my practice account. So
let them know.
I still got
if I were to enter. You see the signal of my strategy. It's so precise. Look at here. Let me show you. Here we go. See, this is the signal here. Do you see the signal here? I'll be entering the trade here, long.
Oh, yeah.
In the middle here, stop loss here, and target 1 to 2. And we have a lot of liquidity. So 1 to 2 will be reached here, exactly here, because we are coming. See, we are coming from discount here, and price was extreme discount around here, and we see a lot of bunker like they're entering, they are putting money in, and I will be like taking a trade here. Probably once I'm in profit, just move my stop loss under this body close candle, just to be just to be sure, make sure that you reach the target.
Yes.
Yeah, anyway, and I'm planning to do like a free masterclass as well, like about my strategy on 29th. On 29th February.
Nice.
Yeah,
okay, if you please give us some information. Give us some information. We'll pass that along to the viewers here, if you don't mind. You're doing a class on the Maximize, right? Yeah, go on.
Yeah, they can go on Twitter, because I have a Google form on Twitter. They can fill out the form. And then I'll be sending them an email with the link of the live of the webinar, and on 29th of February at it will be at 5 a.m.
5 a.m.
I don't know if I should. I don't know if I should change the time. Maybe put it like later.
Well, what is that? Is that 11 a.m. your time?
Yeah, 11 a.m. my time. 11 a.m. 1 hour and a half. And I'll be giving my Google spreadsheet as well about risk management and how to use compounding. I'll be explaining it, and so people can have a kind of visualization of the trades. Even you make 100 today, 100 tomorrow, so you can over time with compounding, you can pass any account. You can pass a Topstep account within 10 days with my strategy. Just risking 1% of your account.
Oh, nice.
150K. Yeah.
If you all right, Max, Max, it might be a little early. It might be a little early in the day for the United States, which is totally fine. You're in London, so you have to work around your schedule. Make sure you record that so we can share it with our audience and viewers if they are indeed not able to view it live. So we'll record that and make sure we pass it along.
I'll do that. Maybe I should change the time to make it more convenient.
If it works for you, yes.
Probably. Yeah. It will be okay for me. A couple of people suggested me that on my Discord. If I do it at maybe around 2 p.m. New York time or 1 p.m. New York time. Yeah,
that'd be ideal, but whatever.
Okay, let's see.
You have
since you suggested that, maybe I should change it, Andre.
Yeah, I'm just reading what the chat's saying in here. They're very intrigued. They want to see the Max Maserati model in action. So let's not cut off some of the potential audience here. Let's make it available to everybody in real time. People love Max Maserati. We're gonna get your Discord information here in a second. Adobe time. Are you flat?
Whatever social media you got. I'm flat currently. I'm gonna try to get long though.
Okay.
I'm switching sides here.
Yeah.
Switching sides.
No, I don't think it will go down. It will keep going up.
Yeah.
Anyway,
you're probably right. I mean, it always catches a bid. It pretty much always catches a bid at some point in time. So we'll try to buy 91.5, 85 evens, and 79.25. and we'll
Okay.
see.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
See if that pays out. But we are only down 713 in our trading combine because the last trade we placed accidentally was in the practice account. So I'm switching
Oof.
back to the trading. And well, this way it worked. This way it worked. You know what I mean? It's funny though because when I was working customer service, people would always call and say that, oh, we had a great winning trade in the practice account. Can I get that transferred over? And it's like, sure, we can also transfer over any losers you also had. And it's like,
Yeah.
never, no one ever calls in to say, oh, I accidentally placed a trade in my practice account that was a loser. It should have been in my trading combine. Never got that phone call when I was working. It was funny.
Funny how that works, Dolby.
Huh.
Yes. We're catching a little bit of
pushing. Definitely catching some bids here.
All right, we got 17 minutes till the close, till the weekend, everybody. 17 minutes till the weekend. Thanks for joining us. All the Bell to Bellers, shout out. All the Monday through Friday Bell to Bellers, shout out. You guys have been amazing this week. It's been a hell of a week. Fast Markets was a big time success. Power Hour, you guys are always joining us. The Bell to Bell Club has been unreal. We love you guys, and hope you guys are learning some trading. Bell to B2B, there you guys go. We've got a Delta update here, minus 2200 ES. Thank you, John. So they're starting to unwind those shorts a bit. Granted, the number is not massive, but you can see what is happening in the markets in real time. It's pretty thin here in the S&Ps. Max Maserati, are you looking to take any trades here in the close? I know you sound like you are bullish.
I'm done trading. I try to finish my trades before 9:30 a.m. I'm done for the day.
Before 9:30, you got to be on Fast Markets then.
Yeah, we'll have to get you on.
By 9:30, yeah, I like to finish by 9:30. My mind is clear because the 9:30 is always like a.
So how much screen time do you actually put in for like, I'm gonna trade today? How much screen time is that?
So normally I used to like to stick to the screen like crazy because I need to figure out what time to trade. But nowadays I have specific times that I need to come to the chart. For example, where my trades, where I can find my signal. For example, in the morning I wake up. It will be 10 minutes before London Open, 10 minutes before 2 a.m. So I need to be in front of the chart. I do my markup, and exactly before, in between 1:55, 2 a.m., I'll have a signal, and I just take it. And then around 4:45, 4:45, 5, I will have another signal, and I just take it. And then this is probably the best signal normally. And I just make my day from the signal. I'm done trading. And then at 8, I will have another signal. At 7, I will have one. 8:30, I will have a signal. 9:30. I can choose any of this time to trade. So I try to take one trade per day and maximum 3 trades. And so this is completely new. So this is what I'm trying to implement to stop being in front of the screen every day, trying to be satisfied with one trade, because when I overtrade, I always sometimes give back to the market what I make.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to stop trading. Once I have a good trade, I'm done for the day.
Yeah, I mean that's like the lessons. So just higher quality screen time versus quantity of screen time. I gotta say, I think that's the way to go. I mean, nothing beats waking up, putting on a trade that's a winner that maybe takes 15, 20 minutes and calling it a day. Like, why tempt fate? Why trade more? Just book the profit. Go enjoy your day. I mean, that's my opinion. That's the way to do it.
That's why we do this job.
Yeah,
here we go.
Yeah, and with my strategy, like within like 5 minutes, 2, 3, 5 minutes, or 7 minutes, I'm done. 1 to 2, done.
Beautiful. And that's the beauty of this job, the independence, the freedom.
Join bid. We're going to join bid.
They might be squeezed. Last I got a Delta update, the ES, minus 2,700. So they're short. They're stuck in the hole. Here we go. I mean, those guys got caught. The shares got caught short from 5,100. I'm just talking ES. I know we got a lot of NASDAQ traders out there, but they kind of move in tandem. And yeah, they got caught stuck short there around 5,100, 50, even 99s. They got down to, the buyers said, no chance. We're going to take this bid. And we're going to squeeze and see how much heat. We're going to see how much heat you guys can take. And if you guys can't. Yeah, they're gonna say no chance. We're gonna take this sucker higher. You know, Dobie, I think what you're missing is you're missing the shades, man. Where'd the shades go?
Oh, I did have
Where are
they're in my
those?
drawer.
All right.
They're in my drawer. I should have pulled them out. There should be a
I
Friday
knew something
thing.
was missing. I knew
I
something was
know,
missing.
right? I know.
Couldn't
That's
put
why
my
these
finger on it.
trades-
Yes. Finally figured out. All right, 5106 is our trading here. I knew it was the shades. Something was missing. We're above
we're gonna
18,000
try
here
to-
in the NASDAQ.
Yeah, I'm long 05.25 in NASDAQ. We're going to see if we can get a pop up to VWAP. And if we do get that, that'd put me positive on the day. Since that other
Nice.
trade was in a practice account. So we'll see. I'm also interested in just buying more on the way down too. Maybe we get a little flush down to 91 and a 3/4. We'll try that and see if we can get filled on another one. 12 minutes left in the day. Anything can happen.
Into your weekend. There is a little liquidity here in the S&Ps at 50. Oh boy, here we
Here
go.
you go,
5110.
here you go.
5110.
Like expected.
5110. We got 300 lots sitting. We got 300 lots sitting at 5110 here in the S&Ps. It's the biggest order we've seen in S&Ps here in about, hour or so. Let's keep an eye on that, see if that sucker can get filled. We're only about 4 handles away from that, so that's definitely within. Oh, got 300 lot here, 5107. 5107, we got liquidity upside. They trade. Here they go. 5107. Oh, take it off. Okay. We'll keep an eye on that.
Here you go.
Oh.
See? Profit is my target. Just wait.
Filled.
1 to 2.
Oh my goodness. I forgot our number one rule. You don't fade the guest.
Exactly as
Number
predicted.
one rule. You
Boom.
do not fade the guest. I should have known. Should have known.
Squeeze, man. That damn squeeze.
This is the way my strategy works. It worked like like magic. You know what I mean? But I spent hours.
Max
And I
Maserati.
Yes, this is the Max Maserati model, baby.
Triple M, baby.
Is that private? Is that a private thing?
Yeah.
Do you have to subscribe to it?
Yeah, it's a private indicator, and my friends Nick and Ponce, they helped me. I mean, they were the coders behind it. I started coding it. I didn't know anything. I was using ChatGPT and stuff. I have no clue, but at least I started it, and then Nick helped me a lot, and Ponce helped me a lot. They do. I was just bringing the idea, my struggles, what I think. This is the way price should behave, because price is dynamic, and sometimes you need to have a strategy that can adapt to the market, whatsoever the market is doing. Because some people just, I need a mechanical strategy. It might not work today, it might not work tomorrow, but you need something that is fluid. It's like water. You just put it anywhere, it just work like marvelously well.
Oh.
Got some news
10
here.
minutes,
What's going
10
on?
We've got a new update, market imbalance, 3.1 billion
Whoa.
to the buy side.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Finally,
So I'm trading
look out.
with the
We're
big
billion.
boys.
Yeah, this is the weekend close. All right, we're trading 5109s in the S&Ps. Don't forget, we have 300 lots sitting at 5110. Big time liquidity there for end of the day with 9 minutes left in the trading week. We got bulls are in control. Perhaps the shorts are getting squeezed. Dolby, it looks like there's a bid being, we've got a bid carrying the markets to the upside here in the NASDAQ.
I don't trust NASDAQ, but maybe. So NASDAQ tilts 70% long. 70% long with the long average at 03.5. So I would say relatively new buyers on the average. And for liquidity, we got something at, looks like it's 100 lot that it's always floating around. That's at 22.5. And above that, not a whole lot. Almost
they still have a lot of liquidity now to be taken.
Yeah.
Dude, that 100 lot's been jumping around. That 100 lot's been jumping around all day in the NASDAQ. It's been quite annoying. If you look at that. Yeah, that's very annoying. You can see here on your TopStep X, you can go 100 prices deep above and below the market here in on TopStep X, and you can see this 99 lot switching from 22s to 22 3/4, and it's obviously a fake order. So cool, dude. I hope you're having a good day doing that. It's lame.
Yeah, right.
So lame.
Another Goldman intern sliding the bids up and down.
What a lame.
Good job.
All right.
Good job, Burson.
Less than 8 minutes. Less than 8 minutes till your weekend, end of the trading day, end of the trading week. Here we go. More buyers, S&Ps. Stop me. Can we anything is possible.
So I do see on a 30-minute we're starting to get up to the top of the 30-minute range, in my opinion, which is at about, let's say, 20 evens in the NASDAQ. So we might start getting some resistance there. But if we can pull through, I think there could be a lot of good stuff to the upside here. I just don't know if there's going to be enough time in the day. What, 8 minutes? So
Yeah,
it's going to
that's
be
true.
close. Going to be close. So we'll see.
Definitely.
We'll hang in there with the long here. We might get filled on some more on the pullback. And things get spicy here, actually. Things could get pretty spicy. If we
Yeah.
can get a pullback, I might be able to size up a little bit more.
This might be
Yeah,
the pullback you
but-
asked for.
We'll see.
Ooh, what do we do?
Well, no one knows. Round and
Yes,
round
no
we
one knows.
go. Where do
Less
we
than
go?
7 minutes.
Nobody knows.
Less than 7
No
minutes.
one
Here we go.
knows. And the 5 minutes is creating a very nice fair value gap though. So let's see. Let's hope. But we still
Okay.
have a very,
We'll
very
see.
nice liquidity level around here.
Hey, James, let's sneak this in real quick.
51.12.
People in the chat are asking, real quick, guys, sneak in these top quiz winners real quick. We got less than 7 minutes left in the day. People in the chat are asking, what do we got, James?
You got it. Here they are. They have
Oh,
now been
we got
vetted
some.
apparently because Jack has blacked one out.
Oh, that
yes.
must have been bad.
Wow. Someone
Maybe you
crossed
guys
the
can
line.
tell me in the green room what that one was. I'm curious.
Mini Hogue. Good to see Mini Hogue up there. Good job,
Yeah,
Mini
D's
Hogue.
nuts.
I like
Building her
Bones
Barbie. Nice alliteration.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice alliteration. That's pretty cool. Pretty
There goes
safe.
long.
Pretty safe.
I got these
ooh.
names. So
And there you
Who
have
knows
it.
what that-
they are so creative.
Oh, Max Maserati. Chat
so-
is the most creative people you've ever met.
Oh, the
They-
chat.
they
Yeah,
are.
it's a wild beast. That chat's a wild
They-
beast, man.
They know a thing or two. We almost got filled on a second lot at 18,000 even. I'm still going to work an order there, but let's keep this going. We're going to keep this on for another 6 minutes and see what happens here.
All right, sellers came
I'm
into
feeling
the
it.
S&Ps. We took a peek above 5109. Sellers came in and saying no chance. We're going lower. We're at 5106 now, 5105 and 3/4. Sellers coming in. It's a bit of choppy. It looked like we're going to take off to the upside as we've seen.
Ooh,
Here
little
comes sellers. Hello. What do we got, Dolby?
Teleportation and
What do
NASDAQ, per usual. We are just ripping to the downside right now. I'm starting to get
Wow.
filled on some stuff. I am now long 2 at 02.5. I could be long 3 or 4 at this rate. Let's
Smash
see what
that thing.
happens here. Let's see
I
what
mean, I
happens.
wouldn't go long though.
NASDAQ.
I wouldn't go long.
Oh, Max,
It- it-
come
it does-
on.
Max.
It doesn't look good.
Max, live a little.
Doing?
Live a little bit, Max.
Well, you're supposed to
It
be
doesn't
on
look
my
good at
side.
all. It should have gone higher. You know what I mean? You
Oh,
see,
my
this
goodness.
5 minute candle shouldn't go down there. It shouldn't. It should have
How
gone
did it just
higher. I
did?
mean, like,
No.
It just did go there.
No reason. It's the NASDAQ. It goes so fast. Nothing. How do you even know? All right. Anyways, we almost got filled on a third, so we're still going to hang on to this too, and we still
Let's
think it's going to
see,
rally to
let's
the
see.
upside.
I hear
If
Dolby
not,
go,
our
there's a
risk-
teleport.
Yeah, our risk is managed. Okay.
It's
now
taking too much time, Dolby. It's taking too much time.
Less than
so
4
do you-
minutes, guys. Buckle up.
Do you time?
Less than
stop
4
your stuff?
minutes. You know,
Do you time stop your trades?
let's
Max?
go, let's
So
go,
if
let's
you're-
go, let's go.
Yeah, I know.
Sorry?
Wow.
So do you time stop your trades? So if you're in a position, do you want it to do a certain thing in a X amount of time, and if not, then you flatten?
I mean, I used to be that way, but nowadays I don't because, like, for example, it's all depend of what price is doing. For example, here you see price created this fair value gap on the 5 minutes. Okay, this make me okay. There's a fair value gap, which means price might come inside of the fair value gap and push up. You know what I mean? But if there's no fair value gap, the previous candle just closed inside. I'm done. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
See you. Because price needs to behave a certain way. If it doesn't, if you're expecting that and price do something different, that means it's no longer doing what you expected, right? So what do you
Right.
do? See you later. Bye bye.
So do you include scratch trades as trades that you take, or those don't count?
Not really, because what I try to do, I try to take one trade per day. So once I do my, I can take a lot of most of my trades is 1 to 2, and they all reach the 1 to 2. But for example, this is like a very small trade. In this situation, I would take a 1 to 2 because I don't know what the market wants to do. But for example, during the day, like before 9:30, around like 5 a.m. or London, I might let it run a little bit more because I know there's enough meat for the market to give me what I'm looking for. And once I have my target and I think price might go a certain way, I'm like, okay, let it run. But I always move my stop loss into profit. Because I don't know what price want to do. You know, it might go against me. So I try to protect myself. So whenever I'm letting it run, so I try to protect myself. Otherwise, if I'm taking my 1 to 2, like here, I don't need to move my stop loss. I just let it run. 1 to 2 done because it's very fast. I know it will reach my 1 to 2.
90 seconds here, fellas. 90 seconds. 90
That's
seconds.
it. I need more time.
All right, Dolby. Who do we call Pelosi? Do we need to call Pelosi
to.
for more time?
We have to. We have to talk.
You
about
remember
Pelosi.
I told
Oh, maybe she sold. Maybe she sold.
We can rewind
Pelosi.
10 if you need to.
Let's set the clock back.
Here we
Nice,
go.
thanks. Max Maserati, we just want to say thank you so much for joining us on this power hour. Your energy is unmatched. We will put your information for your class here on the 29th. Give us that information. We'll be sure to pass it along here. We got 1 minute till the close.
Perfect. I'll do
Dolby,
that.
yeah, please do, Max. You're the man. We appreciate it. Dolby, are you in a trade? Are you long right now, Dolby?
Yes, I'm hanging in there. I'm hanging in there.
My guy.
I'm actually averaging down now, so we'll see.
Dobby, do you see what I was saying? See? Boom, 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 boom.
I'm still learning. Well, I should have known. You can't fade the guest. I should have flattened everything as soon as you said reverse, because the guest knows. The guest knows.
For example, if price want to go higher, for example, price wouldn't go up here and then come back down because, like, you see if you check on the 5 minutes, you have a very strong bullish candle, right? Next candle, you're expecting a bullish body close, and then if price goes up and then close back inside, this is a very bad sign that price doesn't want to keep going up.
I just got
Even there's a fair value gap, you're like, okay. See? Here we go. Here we go.
Wow.
And that's gonna do it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, animals, vegetables, and minerals. Yes, I hope you had a great week because I know that we did. I did. Here, let me put my camera on in case you want to give me a kiss goodbye here.
Yes.
Hey, just want to remind you tomorrow. Oh, Max, you're a joy, buddy. I tell you, one of these days, we're gonna sit down with a bunch of people and just have a blast. But moving on to Monday, just want to let you know what we've got going on. Not too much Monday, 7 o'clock. We do have building permits. Now, remember, these are CST. These are Central Standard Time, Chicago time. We do have new home sales at 9 o'clock. We got a 3-month bill auction, 6-month bill auction, 10:30, 12 o'clock, 2-year note, 5-year note. And that's going to be it for Monday's Eco. But as far as our menu for our all-star cast, join us here Monday, bright and early, 8 o'clock Central Time, where you get to see the Hogan myself waking up and speaking out of our nose. We also do have Fast Markets, Andre, MP, Hogue, Deanna. We're going to have Shoulder Tap with, I guess it's me and Mick. Loving that. Power Players, Dolby and Peter Tuckman. Yes, the gentleman that we saw earlier today. Love that guy. JD and myself will be joining Dolby. Jack and Bonnie. Yes, Bonnie will be here. Who's Bonnie? Well, find out Monday. TopQuiz, coaching, Hogue back in the seat with JD. And we've got our strategy lab with Robert, Coach Dakota. Check this out. And Anne Marie. Boy, that's going to be a killer one. And of course, to end the hour, who else but Andre and Dolby can end these wonderful TopStep TV broadcasts? They're going to have Danny Trades on Monday. So remember, it is Friday. Get some rest, relax, stay healthy, stay safe, and remember.
No, that'll be all. Just be sure to lock the door behind you on your way out. Good night.
I'm Eddie Horn. Take care. We'll see you next time.